Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Allah's power of the students prevail.
Yes, you guys. Once university.
20 Meghalaya. We are here to support the student cause.
JSU have.
Kinongelam jong Jaintia Students Union sang kami hak absen trik naitung a Japan Rio. Kelayu kejat hanang ba New Delhi. Pani ajing kersya ni kinongelam ka kokurut Janata Party badi kisamla puli. Kipa pelong ya kajing yakhi persya kajing naitu kajing keli ke eksamen NEET UG dang shen. General Secretary ke Union usamla Nilki Mukhem ulapha yu kerwo sa sarkar NDA belayalam da BJP bakam dei ban khan sting ya ka board jing samla kipa dawai ka hok ka jongki hakaju ka puar ke Union kelapha yu kerwo sa sarkar Meghalaya banyak kat kum ki kendon an khanang banwan ra ya ka songsuk songsan hapo ka jela.
Allah's power of the students prevail.
Yes, you guys. Once university.
20 Meghalaya. We are here to support the student cause.
JSU have.
So, adin gajing yakhi kepada nek kumbasi benai ai. Nang jong ke sarkar India kala pendem hak student. Kane kadai ka jingjob jong ki student jong barok ki student for India. Nang ra kadau ngajuang nang kapor bangim dei ban underestimate yang kapowar jong student. Namar ba lagi student ki ya chikmat kimsalia ya kata tirgas leti charge ni pi pengat kita ki FIR ke per namarnya iba hak arbau terik paneliang jong ka sarkar India kala persyang misuse ya ka fundamental right jong pajba dan kita kada wakwa ban pa kane kubor sya ka sarkar India ba himdai ban lebor himdai ban sim ya ka bor hak tin benta ka puar jong student namar menta ka sing ke jingjob kadai ke jingjob jong ki student jong barak ke India. Habai dai bergani neliang jongi kas Jaintia Student Union ni pha kubor cek sarkar Meghalaya kumjo bala na piyai persyang ban le thok nane ban le to i question paper DSC MPSC kan mau ba kan sapoi ka por bagi student kin yakhi bat kin pha ya kin sim ya kata ka bor kham tam ya kusuki ki ba pi penyaj ya ka bor ka hajrong dan kadang-kadang pha kubor ba wat le kai ya ka demokrasi waju snow ba kabor jong pi bamla chuban bangkalam namar ki ba wat kajing pen jong sarkar India hado bagi student gila sya shibun kata gila teachers idan ro student gi balaya pa tu singa apel trik lana kada ba government misuse ki power jong ka takane kada message sya baro gi state bat ke sarkar India ba ndai ban shim ya ka anyakti ndai ban misuse ya ka power ka ba legit da pajba ya pi kan mau ba upajba ubaji da pi pajba un ban penhiar ya pi kumbajia mata kesni bila shibun.
From the Jaintia Students Union, we congratulate all the students of India for prevailing over this biggest obstacle that the whole Union of India has faced. And this sends a clear message to the central government and especially to the other state governments that they should not mess with the power of the youth, because the truth and the power of the youth will always prevail over them. As being members of the Jaintia Students Union, we are happy to be a part of this history, in creating history on the successful resignation of the Education Minister.
One more thing, we are so glad to be here. Victory at last prevailed. The minister himself has to resign. This shows that when the youth or the student of the nations, when we are the one who elected them into power, sometimes they oppress us. This shows that they cannot oppress us. Always democracy win at last. This is the clear message to the government of India and the government of Meghalaya as well, that don't mess with the power of students. This is a clear message to the government of India and a clear message to the government of Meghalaya as well. Don't pressurize the youth. Don't use us as a puppet. Remember, we have our own brothers and sisters. We have a family. You also have your family. You also have your sons and daughters who are going to appear for this exam. This is the victory of the people. This is the victory
of the people of India as well. Thank you very much.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha upod usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki jala ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hang ta ka don ka air quality monitor ka balapin pa ya ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang hinrai ka jingmi cha bo ka ya pher de nakata ka daw kini artli ki jala menta kis dang pin khre banthaw ya ka joint action plan